Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily change and enable voice chat in Battlefield 2042. So what you want to do, you want to click on options next to the quit, and right here you want to click on the channel on the top left, then be general, and then click communication. Here you can have enable voice chat, and you want to turn it on. In the moment when you're going to turn it on, my recommendation is always optimize the voice chat volume, transit microphone mode, if it's going to be push to talk or off or always on. And you choose that microphone volume and microphone threshold. Edit those, and it's really important. So this is how you can enable voice chat in Battlefield 2042. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.